Think you know what an e-bike looks, feels, and works like? Are you aware that an e-bike is slow, quiet, and boring? Think no more. Today's video is all about the fastest e-bikes on Earth. The kind of rides that completely defy speed limits and just shred speeds like crazy. Insane speed, insane acceleration, and crazy tech that's totally unlike anything you've ever imagined. Number 5. Happyrun G300 Pro. The Happyrun G300 Pro is built for riders who want extreme electric performance without compromise. The electric motorcycle achieves brutal acceleration and a 50 miles per hour top speed through its 6,500 watt peak motor, which enables it to match or exceed the performance of most gas-powered dirt bikes. The G300 Pro maintains its dominating performance while traversing mountain trails or open terrain because its hydraulic brakes enable it to come to a complete stop within 3 seconds from maximum velocity. The 2,160 watt-hour removable battery eliminates range anxiety by providing real-world range up to 76 miles through mixed PAS and throttle usage. The system allows battery swaps to be completed in 10 seconds, while fast charging enables users to reach 80% battery capacity within 2 hours, which makes it ideal for extended desert rides or consecutive travel. The full suspension system with 43mm front forks and dual rear shocks enables the vehicle to handle dangerous impacts while delivering a smooth ride experience even with maximum weight. The system provides dual hydraulic brakes, which enable drivers to maintain precise control when driving through mud or rain, or on difficult surfaces. The G300 Pro provides 3 riding modes, which enable it to switch between stealthy pedal mode and full throttle operation to match urban streets and off-road situations. Price of $3,499, which results in a substantial improvement to performance that will definitely attract attention. Number 4. 2026 HPC Revolution. The HPC Revolution 2026 is more than just an electric bike. It's a power-packed electric performance vehicle designed for those who need the maximum in speed and performance. At 9,000 watts, this monster has the acceleration of blinding speed and 185 feet per pound of torque with a maximum velocity of 60 plus miles per hour. Cruise at 50 plus miles per hour. This machine can deliver an uncontrolled speed to match. The HPC Revolution is manufactured in the USA using either a 78-volt or 86-volt system and 2,400 watt-hour batteries, providing an estimated range of 100 miles, depending on the rider's style. The frame is engineered for extreme use, using both 6061 aluminum and carbon fiber, and providing 9.5 inches of travel to give the bike pancake-flat traction when riding on severe terrain. Using the top-of-the-line, RockShox Boxer 200mm fork and RockShox Vivid RC shock, the Revolution has the same feel as a downhill mountain bike while traveling at insane speeds. Rated for a load of 350 pounds, you can upgrade the rear spring to allow 650 pounds so the bike can handle the wear and tear of a heavy load. The use of high-tech displays, Cycle Analyst V3 and Nuclear LCD always provides performance measurements to the operator. The HPC Revolution 2026 is $11,000. For those who demand superiority in electric performance, there is no other alternative. Number 3. Bakcou Puma X22SD. The Puma X22SD is powered by a 72-volt DC permanent magnet electric motor, capable of producing 25,000 watts of peak power and 850 Nm of torque at the rear wheel. It is capable of accelerating from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5 seconds or less, and capping out at a top speed of 77 miles per hour. It provides impressive performance with incredible refinement. The Puma has a 72-volt, 73-ampere-hour lithium battery that can provide good range and quick charging, 2 hours to recharge with a 40-ampere charger, minimizing downtime to 0. With its automatic continuously variable transmission, CVT with reverse gear, this motorcycle can be ridden with ease. You simply twist the throttle to accelerate. The reverse gear is invaluable on steep hills and tight trails or when fully loaded. The Puma X22SD was built for backcountry use. Its MNT double adjustable suspension provides up to 250 millimeters of travel, allowing it to absorb bumps in the road and provide sure handling on uneven surfaces. Its 285-pound frame is made from 6061 forged aluminum alloy and Q345B, providing an overall strength-to-weight ratio that is both durable and agile. Its modular rear rack system is ideal for transporting loads of equipment and supplies, making this motorcycle perfect for hunters or adventurers who value a quiet, stealthy ride. Number 2. Solar Eclipse Race Edition. The Solar Eclipse Race Edition is an electric bicycle designed to go fast and look good doing it. With a maximum speed of 70 miles per hour, the 15-kilowatt electric motor provides immediate torque and a fast acceleration. However, it has proven to be efficient as well. The 72-volt 45-ampere-hour lithium-ion battery will last approximately 70 miles using 21,700 LG cells. The Race Edition also provides world-class handling. Its 16-inch wheelbase and either on-road or off-road tires, coupled with DOT-rated 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes, allow the rider complete confidence in braking and stopping. With fully adjustable 203mm front forks and rear adjustments of preload, rebound, air pressure, and compression, the Race Edition can be custom adjusted to suit any terrain. The Eclipse Race Edition weighs in at only 130 pounds and is capable of supporting riders that weigh up to 330 pounds and is designed for riders to climb on grades of 45 degrees. The TFT display has a complete LED lighting system with turn signals, mirrors, and a number plate holder, making this vehicle street legal. The Eclipse has an IP67 water rating, providing rugged durability. The Eclipse is finished with carbon fiber wraps, which give it the appearance of being high-tech. Number 1. Cyclone Big Boy. The Cyclone Big Boy is a powerful electric bike designed for those who want motorcycle-like performance from an electric vehicle. The Cyclone Big Boy is equipped with a massive 23-kilowatt, 31-horsepower, mid-drive motor with 200 Nm of torque, giving this bike the ability to take off quickly and accelerate through every gear like a wild beast. Starting with a 96-volt system and utilizing a programmable controller, the Big Boy accelerates quickly and continues to pull hard through every gear, making it one of the most extreme electric bikes ever made. When it comes to speed, the Cyclone Big Boy is head and shoulders above any other electric bike on the market. With the top end approaching 93 miles per hour, 150 km/h, this electric bike leaves most electric bike riders behind and enters the world of motocross. Cyclone has placed all of this power into a heavy-duty motocross-style frame that is often sold as the Big Boy frame kit for customizing builds. This frame gives builders flexibility in tailoring suspension, electronics, and riding ergonomics to meet their individual needs. The off-road capabilities of the Cyclone Big Boy are aided by strong hardware, such as 200mm travel front forks and 260mm rear shock absorbers to absorb large impacts and rough terrain. The 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes provide enough stopping power to safely ride at high speeds and support heavier riders. And that concludes our exploration of the fastest e-bikes around the world. These bikes utterly blow away speed limits and expectations. If you enjoyed the video, press that like button and subscribe to see more insane tech and speed videos, and drop a comment and tell us what e-bike surprised you the most. Stay smart and see you around.